Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Today's eye makeup tutorial is the cut crease technique using a beautiful purple eyeshadow and glitter, which is really gorgeous. It's super easy to do and you can recreate this eye makeup look using simple eyeshadows as well. So if you'd like to try it out, keep watching the rest of the video and let's get started. To start, use a deep purple eyeshadow from your favorite eyeshadow palette and apply it onto the crease of your eyelid using a small flat brush. Follow the natural crease of your eyelid and place the eyeshadow precisely in this crease area. Then using a fluffy soft brush, gently blend and lift the crease area. This will help the edges of the purple eyeshadow seamlessly diffuse and prevent any harsh lines. Make sure to blend the eyeshadow well so there are no sharp or defined edges left. The goal is to create a soft, smoky effect in the crease area. Then take a small and clean brush and apply concealer to it. Start from the beginning of the eyelid and exactly below the line that I draw with the purple eyeshadow on the crease area. We will apply the concealer in a curved line and continue it up to the middle of the eyelid. You will notice that the technique of cutting the crease has become easier to do. I'm trying to fix the line so that the result is cleaner. This eye makeup is very easy. With just a few times of practice and repetition, you can do it really well. I usually post diverse and easy tutorial videos on my channel, so if you're interested, feel free to check out my videos. Next, I'm using a light blue eyeshadow. With a flat brush, I'm applying it on the cut crease area. If you're using a dark blue shade to make the eyeshadow look lighter, make sure you blend it with a white eyeshadow or use a lighter concealer for this purpose. Next, I'm using a dark purple eyeshadow again. We want to apply a thick eyeliner using the eyeshadow. For this purpose, use any brush that you feel more comfortable with. I'm using a flat and a small brush. Slightly dampen your brush, use a fixing spray, or if you don't have one, lightly dampen the brush with water and then draw the winged eyeliner from the outer edge of the eyelid. You can make the eyeliner thick or thin based on your preference. We want the wing part to be darker, so I'm applying more eyeshadow in this area. And as I move towards the center of the eyelid, I'm blending the eyeshadow with a sweeping motion to give a soft, smoky effect. I use a concealer and a brush to clean up and fix any harsh lines or edges so that the final eyeshadow application looks neater and more seamless. I also apply the eyeshadow to the lower lash line. I start from the outer corner and extend the eyeshadow only up to the middle of the lower lash line. Next, I use this blue glitter powder eyeshadow and apply it to the center of my eyelid using a brush. Look how beautiful and stunning this color combination is. This color combination aligned with the cut crease technique and the glitter creates a look that is both effortless and gorgeous. I also use a silver or white glitter and combine it with the blue glitter. Trust me, the combination will be absolutely stunning. For this eye makeup look, you can use the eyeshadow palette of your choice. Regardless, I include the product information in the description section, so feel free to check it there. I also apply the blue glitter to the lower lash line exactly where I had applied the eyeshadow previously. I also use a rhinestone on the corner of my eye to make the makeup look even more beautiful. This step can be optional. I use false eyelashes and our eye makeup is complete. Thank you for watching the video up to this point. If this tutorial was helpful for you, please go ahead and like the video or leave your comments down below. If you think this video could be useful for your friends, feel free to share it with them. Also, I upload new tutorial videos every week, so if you're interested in makeup and beauty content, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on future videos. I really appreciate your support. See you in the next video. Bye bye.